Okay, here we go again, guys. Wednesday, May 6, 2020. Looking at the 10-minute chart of Apple this morning. Each candle is 10 minutes price action. We still have a little over 4 minutes on this one candle here. But what I want you to see, we closed down here on this little spinning top doji, and then we gapped up from there all the way up to this green candle here, which is pretty big price jump. But then we ran up over this high pivot area, that 301 area, and then little indecision candle, potential sell-off candle, then we sold off. This is what it looks like on the 2-minute chart. This little double top area here, potential reversal candle, reversed, little pause candle, we couldn't no follow through, rolled over, and now where this blue dashed line is, that's our about lined up with the 20 simple moving average over here in that 10 minutes. So what we're looking for, quite frankly, is a wick down into or a hit of that 20. Of course, we're pulling up now, but that's what I was expecting it to do once we hit the 20, is to pull it like that and make a real quick trade. But we'll sit here, I'll put you on pause, and I won't have you. We still have 3 more minutes left on this candle. We'll see if we can't get at least a spike down. We might even come down, spike down, and close this gap support. If we do that, we'll for sure go in heavy here. But I was thinking we might just get a oversold bounce real quick with a spike through the 20. So about less than 3 minutes. I'll put you on pause, and then we'll see how this trades out. Okay, guys, here we go. We're sort of getting close. This candle hadn't finished out yet, but we're still got a little over a minute left on. We started getting close. I want to jump on here. I'm going to go to this is a 10-minute chart. Each candle is 10 minutes. That's how we kind of get our foundation on what we're looking for. And I'm going to put this line back up here. I'm going to switch to our 2-minute chart, because this blue dash line will be on our 2-minute as a reference. And then if we come back up through it, let me push it over. If we come back up through it, now that I see that 200, we might be coming down here. Okay, if we come back up through it at 300, like we just did, and I missed it, we still got a little over 30 seconds. That's actually in a 2-minute candle, that's a long time. Anything could happen. So we'll see here. This is our reference point on the 10-minute where the 20 is, and we're wanting a bounce up and back over, but it looks like we're flushing through. So we might fill this gap. Remember the gap I was telling you about? That would be right in here at 299. It looks like we're flushing down to it. We have about 1 more second left on this candle. You see what we're doing, we're making a high, lower high, lower high. So we're making lower highs, so we're definitely in a downtrend. And we were just, and lower lows, low pivot, low pivot. See here, here, here. It looks like we're going to possibly make one here unless we flush to that 200 or come down and hit our gap fill. And see, we didn't rush it. A lot of times you will get a bounce off that 20. Let me go back to the 10. A lot of times you get a bounce off that 20. We didn't do it, and we didn't take an automatic buy there either, which may or may not work for us. But we always wait for get close to, or for sure, a confirmation on the close, and then try to make a move. Now this, we might be putting in. Well, no, we've already flushed past it. Yep. Okay, let's see if we come down to gap fill. We will take a position here if it hits at 299. Got about 40 seconds left on this candle. And yeah, here we go. We'll see if we'll flush down there. At 299, we already have it all set up. Almost. Come on. Oh, wait till we come back through it. If we come back up through it. Come on. There, we're in. I didn't quite get it, but we're in. Okay, we're in. Let's see if we get a run up to the top of this. Do that. Okay, let's see if we get a little run up to the top of this candle. I'm not expecting a big run. That's where we got in at. I missed about a couple of 3 cents. Okay, let's see. Come on. We got to get over that 200. I feel a lot better if we get a close over the 200. Here we go. Tell you what, if we hit the high of this body again, thought we were. Come on, one more surge up. Then we'll get out. Okay, everything on market. I just sell out on market. A long 1,000 share long position. Okay, we're out. Let's see where I got out at. Right here. I didn't get the high, but that's all right. Okay, we have about 37 seconds. So we'll see how this ends up. See if we did the right thing. I did have that, for us to get out up here. Let me see if I can get that. Like the top of this red candle, but we didn't hit it. Well, did we? Yeah, we hit it. The target was hit, but I got scared out because we kept dipping down. Okay, how we got in, we flushed through just barely, really, our gap fill, okay, because we had gapped up in price from this high here. Actually, it was down here. We gapped up from down here to, and then we had a high pivot here. That's what it was. I'm sorry if I didn't tell you right. But as you can see, here's the gap. We haven't filled it yet. It's really, right here. And I was thinking gap all morning. I've misspoke. I apologize. And anyway, that was a high pivot from yesterday as we rolled over, very late in the day. This last 2, 4, 6 minutes of the day on Apple. Then we gapped up from this low here to the high side up here this morning. Okay, you see that? That's the 5th. That's the 6th for today. And that's what it was, the low pivot. But anyway, as you can see, those high and low pivots, do make a difference. So here we go. And then a lot of times you'll come up from the high here to the low, about 50%. I'm just eyeballing this. And then you'll roll back over. I don't even know if that'll be, let me see what the fib is on that instead of eyeballing it. Yeah, see right here. Okay, let me pop a line there. Okay, a lot of times you'll come up within that 50-60%, and then you'll roll to the downside. So about 16 seconds left on this candle. So we'll see if we keep running up to test this high pivot zone, or if we roll back over. About 6-7 seconds. Okay, here we go on a new candle. Looks like, whoop, I thought we were going to pop to the upside. Was it gapped up? So it looks like we might be running. do the high to this high pivot up here. Let's see, we're kind of on a time count too. All right, guys, I'm not gonna have you sit here and watch paint dry, but yeah, looks like we're getting a little bit of a pullback. We'll see. Okay, guys, as always, thank you so much for being members, and we will see you on the charts.